Hi friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts, and today we made just a cute little tray to put your Christmas dainties on, and it was so quick and so easy. So follow along with me now and I'll show you how you can make yours for Christmas as well. So I bought from the Dollar Tree 3 little snowman ornaments. They came like this, and I've just cut the tags off the top, and they've got the flat top on there, and they're just so cute. And I wanted to make a little tray stand, and I got this also from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my stand. This is going to be the bottom of my little tray stand, and I hope it works. So we'll see. So I'll take my little tray and I'll turn it over onto the front, and I'm going to use hot glue and my E6000 for the longer hold, and I'm going to glue those down all along, the 3 of them, like so, and then I'll flip it over, and then this will be the stand for my little tray. So there they are. They're all glued down, 3 of them, with the hot glue and the E6000. So now when I turn it upright, there's my 3 little snowmen. Isn't that cute? And it'll just sit, and then I can put my cookies or whatever it is I'm going to be making on there. And I think that's going to be really cute. Now, this wasn't my own idea. I did see this somewhere on the internet, and I thought, well, isn't that cute? Just a cute, quick little craft for Christmas to put your dainties on. So if you think this is kind of a cute idea, please give me a thumbs up, like, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please comment. I always love to read your comments, and I do answer you back. And always remember to be kind. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.